Howdy folks, Jeff Hurst here with North Star Commercial Interiors, and I'm with my new friend Lewis Anderson of Happy Ski School. Lewis, you're opening a ski school in Plano, Texas.
Yeah, it's a little crazy, but yeah, we're opening up a ski school in Plano.
When you first called me, I was like doing a double take, a ski school. There aren't any lakes in Plano.
No.
But it's not water skiing, it's snow skiing.
No, yeah, we're snow skiing, but there's actually not going to be any snow in here. We're going to be skiing and learning how to ski and snowboard on a dry ski surface. It's something really cool.
So you're going to have two different mountains?
Yep.
Tell us about those.
We're going to have one big mountain. That's going to be our beginner mountain. And we're going to teach you how to do pizza, to stop on a mountain. We're going to teach you how to go down the mountain. We're also going to teach you how to turn. And then on our smaller mountain, it's actually more difficult. It's a little bit steeper. We got to jump on it. And we're going to have some rails and just some fun stuff.
Excellent. That is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to look forward to getting on it myself. I hear you're also going to have a half pipe.
Yes, we're going to have a really cool, really special half pipe, first of its kind, and we'll share more details on that later.
Excellent. So, Happy Ski School in Plano, Texas. Why don't you give us your address and how to get in touch?
So we're at 4065 East Plano Parkway in East Plano at the intersection of Los Rios and East Plano Parkway. And if you need to book a session or get your kids involved in participating in classes, just go to @HappySkiSchool on Instagram, or check us out on our website, www.happyskischool.com, or just give me a call.
Excellent. So we're going to try to have you open January 2026, the height of ski season. So folks, you've got his contact information. I'd start booking those sessions now. Hey, thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share this with anyone who you think would be interested. Thanks again. Bye for now.